morning, guys. Actually, good afternoon, guys. How are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are having the best day ever. It is Monday, and I hope you guys had a great 4th of July. I know I did. Spent it with my family, had a little bit of time off, and it was great. Today, I'm working on this Dodge Grand Caravan. I'm working on a lot of Dodges for some reason. Working on this Dodge Grand Caravan. Got called out for a no start. A crank, no start. Check out what I found. First things first, why it doesn't start. So we got the fuel pump relay, okay, which the fuel pump relay is internal, this thing will focus, is internal to the totally integrated power module. What is that? It's basically the fuse box, okay? That's just a fancy name for the fuse box. So this fuel pump is internal, which means non-serviceable. Look, let me show you. I click on fuel pump, I go to location. What does it say? Internal, non-serviceable. Okay, all right, relay fuel pump. Okay, so let's go over here. I have verified this fuse. This is the main fuse that feeds, click on it, right? It feeds what? The fuel pump motor feed. Okay, this is the fuel pump motor feed. So the motor of the fuel pump gets power from this fuse, which this fuse gets power from the relay, the fuel pump relay. Now, when the coil, the magnetic coil gets energized, it needs to pull the relay to close it to allow power to go through this fuse and go through this line to power the fuel pump, okay? That's how that works. Now, what have I got? This is a good fuse. I got a good fuse here. This is a good fuse, which powers the relay. And I got this fuse. I checked that it's good. I'm not getting any power to this fuse. Even though the fuse is good, I'm not getting any power. I have power here. This is the power side. 85 of the relay is the ground side, okay? This is the ground side. Wire color brown, 40, okay? On connector number 1 of the fuse box, the TIPM. As you can see, I am pinned. See my wire? My pin is connected into that brown wire. It's hard to tell that it's brown, but there you can kind of see that it's brown. Okay, so I'm back probed off of that brown wire, which is here, which goes to my test light, which goes to power. When I key on, this is supposed to turn on, which it does. That means my ground is good. I know that I'm getting power here is good. That means the fuel pump relay is faulty. What happens when I turn key on that? As you saw,